Have you ever seen those cool effects where a video plays inside text and wondered how to do it? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create that amazing video in text effect using CapCut. It's super easy and the results look incredible. So let's dive in. First, open CapCut and add your video to the timeline. Once added, place it on the upper layer to leave room for your text. Next, add a text layer above the video. Edit the text to say whatever you want. Let's say, for example, CapCut. After that, adjust the size and position to fit your scene. And make sure to use a bold font so the video inside stands out. Once you're happy with the text, drag it below the video. Now click on the video. Then in the Basic tab, scroll down to the Blend menu. Open the drop-down menu and select Multiply. Next, click on the text layer. And at the Basic, scroll down and look for background. Check the box in background, and that's it. You're done. Now you get a full level effect to add your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.